Hi guys, it's Kyla and welcome back to my channel. So right now we're doing what happens when you bring a squishy to school, and this is actually a just saying. This will be in today's video. Well, tonight's video. Duh. This is an Eric I guess Galaxy Peach. So kind of copying Lumalo. But yeah, so let's get started with the video. Oh my gosh, I'm so not ready. Alright, class. Session 1, Session 2, and Session 3. Today's session will be math. Oh, jeez, I just messed up. Alright, I guess this is a blooper. Session 1, Session 2, and Session 3. Open up to your page 59. And it will be about algebra. That's another blooper. Alright. Question 1 now. Alright. Kyla. Session 1, Session 2, Session 3. Right, now we are in Session 1. Page 59. You guys like my new charm bracelet, by the way? I know, it's cute. Now, 8 plus 9, go. You can't answer me? Kayla, what's 8 plus 9? What's 8 plus 9? Psst, can you help me a little bit? I'm kind of stuck on what 8 plus 9 is. It's 17, okay. Alright, I will be leaving. I will see you guys tomorrow. You are here by yourselves. I demand you to act right and to act good. Do you all hear me? Bye. I will see you tomorrow. Alright, whatever. Alright, she's gone. Whoa. Is that a squishy? Well, let me squish it. I helped you. I'm mad. Come on. Bring it over. Oh, it's just an Eric. Yeah. Here you go. Thank you. Whatever. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says The Destroyer. Oh, Jesus. Thing. Let's tear it. I think he has a big score. You okay with it? No, I didn't do anything. I was just kidding. No, I left it like a... I actually demolished the butt crack. Oh my god. What am I gonna tell her? I don't want to play with this one anymore. I want to play with a different one. Here you go. Oh my god. Oh, thanks. Why? Why'd you give it back to me? Oh, because you don't want to play with it anymore. Anyways, let me play with my other squishy. Key Brew ice cream is the best. Oh my god. Again, I don't know if you can see the paper, but it says the one that's too verbal with the squishy. And verbal means like violent and very like, I don't know. Let's just go with the... Oh girl, you got another one? Let me see it. The heck is this, like an ice cream? Whatever. Let me just squish it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, I can just play hop with it. Hot potato. It's so stress relieving. Here you go. I want to play with a different one. Thanks. Alright, let's see if she demolished it again. Did you just defect my squishy? It was a keeper. Really, Tonya? Tonya, why'd you do that? I guess it's 5. Just squish it very gently, okay? Okay, and my last squishy. Try not to let her see. It's a peach. Tanya, oh, it's just something I have for lunch. You know, we're not allowed to share food, so let's not. And this very last one is the one that's violent with the squishy. Ugh. You try to hide it from me. You can never do that again. I helped you, man. Let's just tear this packaging open. See? Oh, it smells like peaches. Oh, it's so pretty. What is this? Like a ball chain? It's a very metallic. Is this an eye bloom peach? Why is it in different packaging? Oh, because you lost the packaging? Okay. Whatever. It's very eerie. Not really. But who cares? Spritz. Alright. You know what? I'm done with these squishy things. Now, with the rest of my life, I'm going to move on with slime for now on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below telling me, should I do more reactions and like skits, or should I just stick with the whole squishy? Yeah, I better charge my phone because it's on 10%. Alright, subscribe, and I hope you had a great night. TGIF, well, TGIFE, thank God it's Friday Eve. Tomorrow would be thank God it's Friday. Stay happy and peace.